Today we'll discuss first order predicate logic, which is used to represent knowledge in artificial intelligence. Any knowledge can be represented by FOPL. In FOPL, there are 6 building blocks to represent knowledge. First is predicate, function, quantifiers, variables, constants, and the connectives. So, what is predicate? Predicate describes a relation in a sentence. Suppose John likes Ram. This is a simple sentence. Here, likes the verb, it represents the relation between the John and the Ram. So, we will use like as a predicate. The syntax of the predicate is it is normally represented by the capital letter. P is the capital letter, so this is the predicate name, and it consists of the arguments. Here it is showing n number of arguments x1, x2 up to xn. We can use the capital letter or we can use the capitalized words. Take an example. Apple is a food. In this sentence, food, it describes a class. Apple is an instance of the food. So that's why in this case, we will declare predicate food as a predicate. Apple is the object. So food, apple. Food is the predicate, apple is the argument. So it represents the knowledge apple is a food. Similarly, likes John Ram. John likes Ram. Always remember, predicate means either it will be true or it will be false. So we will represent all the sentences that are either true or false. Now we'll discuss function. Function is just like the predicate, but it has some difference. Function, it also maps n elements to a single element. So the difference between the predicate and the function is that function returns a value, whereas the predicate returns either true or it returns false. Function is normally represented by the small letters or small case words. Here you can see g. G is the function and it represents the relations between this x1, x2 and xn, and it returns some value. Another example, earning of Ram. So obviously we know earning of a person, either it will be 5,000, 10,000, 15,000. So it returns a value. So it means we will write earn within bracket Ram. So it represents earning of Ram. So here you can see this is the small letters and this function will return a value. You can use another word income of Ram. So it means income will return the income of Ram. So it must be a value. So we normally use a symbols like f, g, age as a function, or you can use the words age of, income of, like that. Always remember, predicate returns either true or false, function returns a value. There are two quantifiers, for all and there exist. In sentences, sometimes we'll find out some words. All, a, there exist, some. In that particular case, we'll use these quantifiers. Whenever we'll see for all words, on the time we'll use this symbol. When we'll see some there exist or some, on the time we'll use there exist quantifiers. Here you can see this is an example, all employees. No employees are specified here. So here we'll declare for all x, x is a variable which denotes an employee. For all x, employee x. A child. A child means there exists some child. It means there exists y. Here y denotes a child. So child y. Some student. Again it is the there exists quantifier. So z represents a student. There exists z, student z. Variables means which have different values in a given domain. For example, all employees. In this case, no employee's name is given here. Employee can be anyone, Ram, Sam. So here, instead of using employee name, we will use variable. Variables are denoted as a capital letters. In this case, we'll use for all x. X is the variable which denotes an employee. So for all x, employee x means x is an employee. Similarly, constants are the fixed values. For example, John, Ram, any value. These are the numeric constants. Here, John is an employee. It means John is a constant. Employee is not a constant. Employee is the class. So that means this is a predicate. So John is an employee. It is represented as employee John. EMP is the predicate to represent employee. Last important part of FOPL is connective. There are 5 connective symbols: or, and, negation, implication, and equivalence. All these symbols are used to connect different predicates, different knowledge. For example, John likes all kinds of food. Here you can see a knowledge, or you can see a sentence consists of different information, different knowledge. So here this sentence can be represented as for all x, if x is a food, implies like John X. That if X is a food, it means John will like it. So this sentence can be represented as for all X, food X. So here we are using implication symbol. So this is the connective that we are using here. So we have learned various building blocks to represent knowledge using FOPL in artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching this video.